Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by creating the bot in the Discord developer portal and adding it to your server. This is where you define its identity. Once done, enable the bot toggle, copy the token securely, and build an OAuth 2 invite link. Select bot and required permissions, set a role if needed. Make sure to test on a private server first so you avoid permission mistakes. You do this now to avoid later reconfiguration and to confirm the bot actually joins with the correct access. Next, you configure the bot's runtime behavior by storing the token in an environment variable and writing a minimal command handler. Once the handler is live, enable gateway intents you need, like message content, so the bot can read and respond. Make sure to implement permission checks and a safe command prefix to prevent abuse. While coding, include clear logging and a ping/health command so you can verify responsiveness without cluttering channels, and test each action step by step. Finally, deploy the bot to a stable host and run it under a process manager so it restarts automatically on failure. Once live, monitor logs and set up basic alerts, handle rate limits, and add retry logic so commands don't silently fail. Make sure to document admin commands and rotate the token immediately if something goes wrong. If the bot stops responding, check intents, token validity, and permission scopes first. Those are the most common causes of failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.